again. It's a Rhinestone.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I desperately need to get this hand off first. These have been on a month. My nails don't grow very fast. These have been on a month, and these have been on nearly 2 weeks, I think. But I am going to take these off first because I want to use my right hand to try this. So I'm going to get both sets of nails filed off today. I didn't want to use my left hand on camera. I'm not great with an E-File as it is, so I'm gonna file these off today, and we're gonna try this new drill out. Just gonna file a couple of them off on camera, and I'll do the rest off camera. Guys, are you ready for this? Wait and see. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at that sparkle. Look at that sparkle. So these are all glass AB rhinestones, and the camera does it no justice. It's so much more sparklier than you're seeing. It is beautiful. So it's completely portable. We've got a forward, reverse, and we've got a pause button. I like to have a pause button so you don't have to turn it all the way back down and all the way back up. You can just pause it. Oh, this is fancy. Right, let's get it set up and let's put it to the test. Right, so this is the handpiece, guys. So it just gets plugged into there and it gets plugged into there. And we've got a twist lock. I love that. They're just so much more secure. Brilliant. Right, so it comes with a little bag of sanding bands. It comes with the rest. So that sticks in there like that. And this is your USB Type-C. This is to charge it. So that goes in the bottom there. And you can charge it up. Let's see if it's got any power. Right, so it's already got full power. Brilliant. Right, okay. And it comes with a little pack of some of your standard bits as well. Cute, I like it. Right, so I'm just gonna use a medium bit and put it on forward because I'm using my right hand. Right, I'm just gonna snip them down a bit as well. There's no point filing all that length off. So I'm just gonna snip them down as well. Right guys, let's go. It's going to get a little loud. Just going to file a couple of them off. So I've got it on 15,000 RPM. And we're just going to file a couple of these nails off. Should I bring you in just a little bit closer now? Oh gosh. It's really smooth. I'm not very experienced with an E-File, so that's why I like to go slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. So soft and smooth. It's almost too powerful for me. I'm scared of it. No, it's fantastic. You can just feel the quality, you really can. I can tell the difference now between an E-File that's got a brushless motor and a cheap motor. I can. So I'll take it as low down as I feel confident, and then I'll get the last bits off with a hand file. You don't want to file into your natural nails. Right, let's go on to this next one. Yeah, somebody that's more confident with an E-File would probably be able to do that a lot quicker. I'm just so scared of over-filing to my natural nail. I just take tiny little shavings off at a time. So I'm going to get the rest of these off and I'll be back, guys. I like this little handpiece. It's really, really skinny up at the top there, almost like a pen. It's really comfortable to use. Not to mention that sparkle, I absolutely love it. Right, guys, so that is all my nails took off. Caught myself a couple of times, so I've took all my nails off. So I'm just going to do my cuticles now, and for my cuticles I normally have it on about 8,000. You really don't need it on a lot. So I'm just going to go around my side walls and cuticle. Just float it over. You don't want to dig it into your natural nail. It does look like I'm pressing on hard, but I'm really not. Just float it over any dead skin on your nail plate, and it will just, if your drill bit's alright, it will just take that dead skin off. If you feel like you're having to press on hard to get that dead skin off, then maybe it's your drill bit that's not that good, because you should just be able to float it over the top of that dead skin and your drill bit should take it off. If it's not doing, then it might be your drill bit's not good enough or it needs replacing. So I'm just going to go around all my cuticles, guys, get rid of all this dead skin, and I'm lifting my cuticle up a little bit as well because I'll trim that in a minute. Right, guys, that is them all filed off. I love this. Never seen one like this before. I like that. That's cool. So yeah, that is them all filed off, ready for a new set. What I like to do when I've just took some nails off, I don't like to go straight in with another set. I like to give them an hour or so, you know, just to recoup. Yeah, so I like to give them a really good rub with my cuticle oil, and then I normally go and have, I normally take my nails off before dinner or tea, so that I can give them an hour or so before I start the next set. So, yeah, E-File gets a huge, massive thumbs up from me. I love this. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I don't know what happened to my voice at the end of this footage. It's completely muted. I don't know where it's gone. I will leave links below. This is off Amazon. I'll leave links below. Hopefully it's available in your country. The last Belle E-File I did wasn't available on a lot of Amazons. I was really disappointed. But certainly click the link below, see if it's available to you. And yeah, that's going to be it, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.